If you want to delete your MSN email account, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the exact step-by-step process to close your MSN or Microsoft account, and I'll also explain the waiting period so you know what happens before the account is permanently deleted. This is important because once you start the process, your email, contacts, and Microsoft services can be affected, so make sure you only continue if you're absolutely sure. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to msn.com. Once the page loads, sign in with the MSN or Microsoft account you want to delete. Make sure you're signing in to the correct account because the steps you take next will apply to that account only. After you're signed in, look for your profile icon in the top corner of the page and click it. From the menu that appears, choose the option to open My Microsoft Account. Now you'll be taken to your Microsoft account settings. From here, find and click on Your Info. This section contains the account details and management options you need. On the Your Info page, scroll all the way down until you see the option that says Close Your Account. Click on that option to begin the account closure process. At this point, Microsoft may redirect you to a support or account closure page. Don't worry, that's normal. On that page, scroll down carefully until you see the Close Account option again, then click it. Microsoft will now ask you to verify your identity one more time by signing in again. This extra step is there to protect your account and make sure no one else is closing it without permission. After you sign in again, Microsoft will show you important information about what happens when you close the account. Read everything carefully before moving forward, then follow the on-screen steps to confirm the closure. Once you complete the process, your account will enter the waiting period instead of being deleted immediately. This waiting period is usually around 30 to 60 days. During that time, your account is still recoverable, so if you change your mind, you can simply log back in and cancel the deletion. If you sign in again during that period, Microsoft will stop the closure process and your account will remain active. But if you do nothing and let the waiting period finish, the account will be permanently deleted. So again, if you're sure you want to delete your MSN email account, follow the steps carefully. Sign in at msn.com, open My Microsoft Account, go to Your Info, click Close Your Account, confirm the request, and complete the on-screen instructions. Just remember that there is a grace period before the deletion becomes permanent. I hope this tutorial made the process easy to follow. If it did, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.